YouTube, Dre here. They came and fixed my air conditioning. Guess what was wrong with it? There was nothing wrong with the air conditioning. The problem was the fucking batteries were dead. I thought this thing was controlled by, I thought it got power from the wall. But apparently it don't get power from the wall. And that's what was wrong with it. The fucking battery was dead. Well, it's working now. And no, I'm not trying to save energy. I guess it's fall. Well, I guess it's towards the end of summer. But no, I'm not trying to save. It just, this is where I'm more comfortable at 74. But it was kind of cold at 74. Well, actually, it's not really cold. It's just I have my windows open. And, I mean, I'm comfortable at 75. So, anyway, this is Dre. Y'all have a good day.